The first sunshine in the morning. Illuminate the road ahead. Bring Zino and set yourself free. Welcome to the Hubsan Zino tutorial series. We will be introducing the line fly function. Enter the app interface. Select the line fly mode. Tips. The aircraft needs 6 or more GPS satellites and pass GPS accuracy tests to activate line flight functions during flight. The system will show 3 options: angle, distance, and speed. Slide the bars of each option to adjust the corresponding value. Angle refers to direction of hovering aircraft on the horizontal plane. Based on a clockwise direction, as an example, set 0 degrees, the aircraft flies forward. Set 90 and the aircraft flies to the right. Set 90 degrees and the aircraft flies to the back. Set 360 degrees, aircraft flies forward, and so on. Distance refers to the distance of the starting position to the position after the line flight mode is performed. Speed refers to the speed the aircraft will travel when performing a line fly mode. After adjusting the parameters, tap to preview the route. If you need to change anything, please tap on Re-edit. After editing is complete, tap on Start Now. Immediately after start, the aircraft will travel according to the angle, distance, and speed you set from the starting position and fly in a straight line toward the set direction. In addition, the pilot can turn on the photography functions manually by tapping on the video, photo icons on the screen or use the photo video button on the transmitter. Tips. 1. During the line fly mode, only throttle stick is available for use. The other controls will be unavailable, therefore make sure the surrounding environment is safe to use the line fly mode. 2. During the line fly mode, you can pause, restore, stop at any time. 3. During the line fly mode, loss of control and low battery failsafe will still work. Thank you for watching.